Okay, Tamil has come. Yeah, Sudeep and Tamil. Tamil. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. You can speak with Sudeep also. Like today's our new friend, my new friend. Like
Yeah.
he was my classmate, and we both has completed BBA.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
Hi,
you can
Sudeep.
talk with Sudeep and Balaji Shinde. Balaji Shinde is from Navi Maharashtra, and I think he has also done CA foundation.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so you can talk with Sudeep and Balaji. And after finishing the talk, Sanjay can I will introduce Sanjay, and Sanjay can record the video, and you can you can start your session. Okay, Sanjay.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Just
Sanjay.
wait for a minute. Let me see what
Hello,
I have
Sanjay.
completed and what.
Sanjay is not be in the moment.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Tamil, you
Sorry,
talk with
sorry. I
Balaji and
forgot to unmute.
okay, with
Yeah.
you talk with Balaji and Sunday. Balaji and Sudeep.
Are
Okay.
you saying it to me?
No, no, no. I'm saying to Tamil.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, Sudeep, Balaji. uh, Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. So, could you tell me about yourself? Yeah. Brief explanation.
Hello,
Yeah, Balaji.
are you able to hear everyone?
Yeah, yeah. You are audible.
Okay.
So let me introduce myself in brief. Myself Tamil Mani. So I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So currently I'm pursuing my MBA in finance and marketing, and yeah, that's all about.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello
Balaji, you
everyone.
can start.
Myself Balaji Shinde. I'm from Maharashtra. From Pune, Pune city. I completed BCom from Abasaheb Garavare College, Savitribai Phule Pune University. As well as I also completed CA Foundation as well as CA Intermediate First Group cleared. After that, nearly about 2 years, I have done job in healthcare sector. So I have just um, done job in other field only, not for in commerce. So uh, actually, my background is commerce. So uh, I'm totally fully interested in finance sector. So that's why I have pursued pay after a placement guaranteed job course in JobAj. So I think we all are connected through JobAj only. Is that right?
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. That's all.
Okay,
Yeah. It's
Sudeep, you can introduce yourself.
Hello everyone.
hello.
Myself Sudeep. Me and Nias have been graduate from the same college, but I did my honors in marketing specialization. Like we did the schooling from the same school only.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ines told that.
Me and Nias is from West Bengal. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay, Sanjay. Now I think we should record it. Okay.
Okay, so I have already
Like
started recording.
you
It is
can
recording.
share a screen.
Yes, it is recording. And
Yeah. Okay. 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 I'm really sorry. So you can share a screen now.
yes, yes. Wait a minute.
Okay, I will introduce you. Okay. So today's session will be on the candlestick patterns, and which will be presented by our member, which is from Finance Masters, and he is a BTech graduate, and he is currently pursuing a CFA level one, and he's also doing pursuing equity research analyst from analyst course from our the valuation school, which is done by our part sir. Now okay, so he will present us about candlestick pattern today. So Sanjay, you will introduce yourself and you should present it. Okay.
Okay, so is
So
the
I'm
screen visible to all?
oh yes, yes.
Okay, so we will be having a quick
Yeah.
recap of what we have learned until now. So first of all, we have done price trends, okay, in which we have done how to identify the trend of a price, which can be of upward, downward, or range bound markets. Okay, then we have done a bit of trend lines as well. We have not done moving averages. That will we will doing that afterwards. Then we have done a thorough session on support and resistance levels. Okay, so if you have any doubt in these following things, then you can ask me. We have not done breakout and reversals. We will be doing it afterwards. Then we have done chart patterns, flag patterns, vegates, and which are trend continuation patterns, and then we have done reversal patterns, which are head and shoulders, double top, double bottoms. Okay, so now we will continue with candlestick patterns. So which are doji engulfing patterns. Okay, so let me take you to charts so that it will be more easy for you. So
Okay,
doji,
Sanjay,
yes,
hello.
yes.
Sanjay, yeah, I think Sudeep and Balaji has come today only, so I will tell them something about it. So
Okay,
Sanjay is talking about technical analysis. Okay, so he yesterday taught about the charts and like high about the chart candlestick pattern, also about the continuation pattern, reversal pattern. Okay, and today he will talking about candlestick pattern and chart patterns. Okay, so I am very glad that he's like teaching us and. We are here to learn. Okay, so start, Sanjay. I'm very
okay,
sorry for this. Okay.
no issues. Okay, so Sudeep and Balaji, do you guys have introduction to stock markets earlier or not? Can you please confirm with me?
We have learned a few things. I have learned a few things about the stock market, not
Okay,
much.
okay. So you have learned about chart patterns and all these things as well, or you are not aware of these things?
No, no, I'm not aware of it.
Okay, okay. Okay, so from today onwards, we will be covering what candlestick patterns. So our first pattern will be uh, a doji. Okay, so wait, let me draw it draw it for you. So okay, so this is basically a doji which has opening and closing points near each others, and we have a wick on any of the single side. This is known as doji. That means that open price opened at this particular price, and it has traveled downwards, but it couldn't sustain before the closing of the candle, and it goes to the opening near the opening price of the candle and closes over there. So this is known as doji, or this is known as hammer candle. Did you get it, guys? I will tell you on the chart as well, and I will
Yes,
explain
yes.
you over there as well. Just wait for a minute. Let me find a doji. Okay. So as you can see over here, this particular candle. Can you see, guys? This particular candle. Wait. Okay, so here we can see that price opened at, as it is a bearish candle. That means that price has opened at higher levels and closed at lower levels. So price has opened at 374.5, as you can see. Can you see on the charts? Can you
Yes.
confirm?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, and it
Yes.
has traveled upwards and downwards, both the sides, but it couldn't sustain either of the side, and it closed near its opening price. So it is also known as indecisive candle. That means price couldn't decide where to go. Are you getting me?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, so that means that pride couldn't decide where to go. It has traveled upwards as well and downwards as well, but it couldn't decide where to go. So it came to the opening price of its uh, candle and closes near to that only. So this will be known as doji candle. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any doubt in this?
No, understood.
Like I think that will be also opposite of doji candle, right?
No, no. This is a doji candle, and I will explain you about hammer and inverted hammer. In
Okay,
doji,
okay.
I did a mistake earlier. In doji, both the sides, upwards and downwards, will be almost same. Okay, That means that this week and this week will be almost same. It will differ in size a bit, but it won't differ in size a more. Okay.
Like it's
Now,
a bearish candle or a
no,
bullish
no, it
candle?
can be bearish or bullish. Okay, so let me
Okay.
show you on charts so that it will be easy for you to understand. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so as you can see over here, can you see this candle? Can you see, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
price opened at this particular, it is a bearish candle because it is in dark color, so it is a bearish candle. But as you can see that the opening price and closing price of the candle is almost at the same time, the same price. Okay, it has traveled upward as well, downwards as well, but it couldn't sustain either of the side. That means it is a indecisive candle. It couldn't decide where to go. Okay, so it this is a bearish doji, and now let me show you the bullish doji as well. That doesn't matter whether it is a bullish or bearish, but for your satisfaction let me tell you that.
Oof.
Okay, so now as you can see over here, can you see, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Price opened at this particular level 435.85. It traveled downwards, then it traveled upwards, but came and closed at this particular price 443.90. So it couldn't decide where to go of the on the either of the sides. Okay, are you getting me, guys?
Okay.
Do you have any doubt?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now let me tell you about uh, this particular candle. As you can see in the charts, this is a bullish candle. Okay, because mm, as you can see that it is a bullish candle, and when it opened it didn't travel much on the lower side, neither on the upper side, as it has traveled on only on the upper side and closed at the upper levels, and it sustained. So it will be called as a bullish candle. As you can see, a heavy buying in this candle. Are you getting me, guys?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
same
Yeah.
is the case of bearish candle, that it is a bearish candle because it has seen a heavy selling, as you can see in this particular candle. Now currently I am making you understand only single candles. Then I will make you understand. I will tell you about the combinations of candles. Okay, so it will be
Okay.
easy for you. And this is a bearish candle because it has opened on the upper levels. It didn't travel much on the upper side. It has only traveled on the lower side, and it sustained and it closed on the lower levels. So it will be a bearish candle. Okay. Do you have any doubt?
No. No. You can continue.
Okay. Okay. So now I will be covering hammer. Okay, hammer. Okay, so do you know? Do you guys know how does a hammer looks like? Something like this, isn't it, guys?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
see what we can see from the diagram, that it has a long handle and a body at its top. So these types of candles are known as hammer candle. And now I will tell you the psychology behind this candle. So what does it mean that prices opened at a certain level, price has opened at some certain level, it tried to go down. Okay, it had tried to go down, but it couldn't sustain on the lower levels. It pushed the price up and closed at somewhat of opening price of the candle. So it shows that the bulls are in control, that bulls didn't let the price fall down. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you on the charts now. It will be more easy for you to understand them. Let me find a hammer. Okay, so as you can see over here, can you see this particular candle? This blue one. It
Yes,
can be
yes.
of either color, because it has not that much of body, no. So color doesn't matter in this particular candlestick pattern. Okay, can you see this, Tamil?
Yes.
Balaji, is it clear to you?
Yes, yes.
Balaji, Sudeep.
Okay.
I'm able to hear. You can continue, no problem.
Okay. As you can see, price was going on downwards, and in this particular candle, what happened is that price opened at this particular level, which is 339.85. It has traveled downwards, but it couldn't sustain, and it has again moved upwards and closed at 334.50. That means bulls has not let the candle close on the bullish side. Okay.
Like it's a bullish candle, right, Sanjay?
Yes. It is a bullish sign of candle. It is a bullish candle. As you can see over here, then again over here, the price has moved upwards from this particular level. Okay, is it clear to you guys?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
Okay, but we have to find more confirmations to trade on the basis of these candles. Okay, these are the only, what we can say, these are the only basic things, but we can see the results, as you can see over here and here. Okay, now comes the inverted hammer. Okay, so first let me draw a inverted hammer. It is same as hammer, but it is inverted. Okay, so it is a bearish sign, and it is a bearish candle. Are you getting me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let me assume that price opened as at this particular price, and it traveled upwards, but it couldn't sustain at the higher level, so it dropped. And when price doesn't sustain at the higher level, that means that bears are in control and bulls are not in control. Okay, so it will be a bearish candle. Did you get it, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Okay, so now let me show you some examples like this one. Price opened at this particular level, 433.20. Price traveled upwards but couldn't sustain and fell to this particular level, 440. And exactly from this level, price has dropped. Isn't it, guys?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, wait, let me show you some another examples so that it will be easy for you to remember. As you can see over here, can you see over here? Did you recognize this candle? As you can see, price opened at this particular level, traveled upwards but couldn't sustain, fell down and closed at this particular level. Okay, and as it is a inverted hammer, price started falling from this particular level. Did you get it, guys?
Yes, yes.
Do you want me to show some more examples of these two candlestick patterns so that it will be easy for you, or are you guys okay with it?
Like you saw some example about doji candle. Like I am
Okay.
confused about it.
Doji is nothing but an indecisive candle. Okay, you won't have
Oh,
any
okay, okay.
movement after that candle. You don't know the movement after that candle. That indecisive means that it couldn't decide where the price should be. Okay, so let me draw it for you once again. Okay, so
Tamil, mute yourself.
Yeah.
doji will somehow looks like this. Okay, that means prices open at this certain level, traveled upwards, traveled downwards, but couldn't sustain on the either side. That means the price is in indecisive scenario. That means it couldn't decide where to go. Are you getting me? So it is not
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
something that you need to be learning, or you need to be remembering it. You just need to have that candlestick pattern in your mind that it is an indecisive candle. anything can anything can happen after this candle. You can't say anything. Okay, you can't
Okay,
predict
okay,
anything
okay.
that
I've
what
understood.
will be happening. We can predict something when we have a hammer candle or a inverted hammer, but with a doji candle we can't make a decision that where will the price go. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Tamil, do you have any doubt?
No, no, I understand because yesterday that I have seen some videos, so I can able to understand clear it by your presentation.
Okay, Sudeep and Balaji, all clear to you as well?
Uh,
Okay.
Yes, yes, no problem.
Okay, now we'll be doing engulfing patterns. Okay, we have completed hammers and doji. Now we'll be uh, doing engulfing patterns. So wait, let me draw it for you. Okay, so are you guys clear with the body and wick of a particular candlestick, or do you have any doubt in body and wick of candlestick?
I think you should explain it, bro.
Okay, okay, wait, let
Sanjay.
me explain it to you. Okay, so okay, so let me assume that this is a candle. Okay, so this particular area, this particular thing is a body, is called as body of the candle. Okay, and these lines are called wicks. That means price has traveled over there until there, but it couldn't sustain over there. Now is it clear to you, or let me explain it to you on
yes.
charts? Okay, so let us take the example of this particular candle. Okay, okay, so as you can see that this dark part, can you see this? This is
Yeah,
this is all
Yes.
body, body of the candle. Okay, the dark part is the body of the candle, and these lines are called the wicks of the candle. It can be of any size, small, big, or whatever. So these dark parts are called as the body of the candle, and these lines are called the wicks of the candle. Okay, is it clear to you?
the gray one it shows bullish, and then the
Yes, yes, yes. And this dark blue is bearish.
bearish. So
Actually, it used to be in green and red color, but
yeah, yeah, you
I
have been changed according to
yes,
your
yes, yes.
preference. Yeah.
Wait, let me. But don't change on your charts, as it will be more easy for you to use green and red
Tara?
candlesticks. Okay.
Kira? Oh, ఈ క్లాస్ માં છું તો અંદર. I am really sorry.
No issues. Actually, okay. Okay, so let's continue with engulfing candle. Okay, so there are two types of engulfing candle: bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. Okay, so what we have to look for bullish engulfing is, so this will be more better. Okay, okay, so let me assume that this is a candle. Okay, can you guys see?
Yeah.
Yes.
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 And it can be of either side, either bullish or bearish. Okay, and this is a just next candle to it. uh, with Okay, can you see these two candles?
Yes.
Okay, so in the case of bullish candle or bullish engulfing, what will happen that this can be of bullish candle or bearish candle, but this will be a bullish candle. That means it will be a green candle. And what this candle will do is it will completely cover the previous candle. As you can see, it has covered from here as well and from downside as well. That means that the body of the next candle has completely covered the wicks and body of the previous candle. That
Acha.
that means it is a bullish engulfing. Okay.
Mm,
Do any have doubt in this?
no, no.
Okay. Tamil, is it clear to you or should
Yeah,
I?
it's clear for me.
Okay, okay. So this can be of either side or either color. That means it can be bullish or bearish. But in the case of bullish engulfing, this particular candle will be what green color. It will be a bullish candle, and it should eat up the whole the body and the wick of the previous candle. Okay, it should be covered in the body of this candle. Did you get it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So as it is a bullish engulfing, it we will be looking for this particular pattern on support because from support price bounces. Are you getting me, guys?
So can I ask something?
Okay, okay.
You
You can ask.
know whether it's a so here that you say there is a bullish and bearish candles, and how does it be determined? The previous one candle is be bullish, and after that even we can able to see that it be goes up the previous one, but why it's be shows as bearish?
Actually, I didn't get your question. Can you please repeat?
Yeah, for example, let's take one bearish candle.
Okay, okay.
Ah, so you take one bearish candle.
So let us
So
assume that this is a bearish candle. Okay.
yeah. Ah.
Let me make a wix of it as well. Okay.
So this candle is be bearish
Okay.
for how that we be saying this one is bearish?
Uh, Bearish means it will be of red color.
Yeah, it's a fried color, but the price is be getting low than the previous one, or
Yes, yes. If it is a bearish candle, then it will be definitely will open at higher levels and close at lower levels.
okay.
Wait, let me show you examples on Google so that it will be easy
Yeah,
for you.
Sanjay, you can go on Google. Yeah, yeah. I was saying that only.
Bullish and okay, so as you can see over here, as I explained you guys, how can I zoom in? Okay, can you see, guys?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah,
it
it's
can be
visible.
of either side. What I said was the previous candle should be totally eaten up by the bullish candle. Okay, as you can see over here that it has eaten up from the downside as well as from the upside. Can you see? And we will be looking for this particular pattern on only on supports because from supports what happens price goes always take supports from a particular price particular range and it goes upwards. Are you getting me, guys, or you still have any doubt? You can ask Moshe.
Yeah, I got now. Yeah, there itself they have been explained clearly. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And same case with bearish. Wait, let me choose some other okay. Okay, so as you can see, same with bearish engulfing. That previous candle is totally eaten up by the upcoming candle. Can you see over here?
Yeah,
Yes.
correct.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I will now try to show that in charts as well so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, It is difficult to find these types of patterns, but still I will try. Try it on Bank Nifty. Actually, I'm not finding it right now, and these are not that much useful as well until unless or until you are using totally price action. Okay, so you should know about these, but I have not used it until now. You can look for it afterwards. Okay,
Yeah,
so
you can look it technically.
okay, engulfing patterns we have done, hammers for price movement signals we have done. We will cover indicators and oscillators afterwards. Now we will go towards time frames, different time frames. Okay, so as we can see, this is a chart of Bank Nifty. So we will start from weekly time frame. Okay, so this particular chart is of weekly time frame of Bank Nifty. Okay, guys. So what does it refers that it is a weekly time frame? That means that this single candle holds the whole movement of price of a week. That means the whole movement of price of 5 days from Monday to Friday. Are you getting me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes, understood.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay, now this is a daily time frame. Okay. So why multi-time frame analysis is important is that it gives you multiple confirmations that you are in correct trend or not, whether you are taking a right trade or not. Okay, so that's the reason why multi-time frame analysis is important while taking a trade. Okay, guys, as you
Okay.
can see over here that wait, let me explain. This is a single day movement of price in single candle. Okay, and this is in 1 day time frame. And if I move to 15-minute time frame, then you can see that this day started at this particular point, which is 9:15. Okay, as you can see over here, as I have marked over there in 1 day time frame. Can you see it, guys?
Yes.
It opened at this particular price, moved downwards but couldn't sustain, moved upwards, moved downwards, then this and this and this, and closed at this particular level. That means if prices opened at this level and closed at this particular level, so the candle should look like, wait, let me confirm that it has opened at this particular level only. Okay, so what does it mean? That candle should look like somewhat like this. Okay, so let us check on daily time frame. How does it look? And have you marked previous day or today's? Oh, actually I've taken it of 2 days. Sorry. Wait, let me explain you once again. So it will be more easy for you to understand. Okay, so this is a time. This is 15-minute time frame. Okay, so as you can see, price has opened at this particular level and didn't move downwards. Okay, uh, after opening, it has only moved upwards. Okay, so moved upwards, then moved upwards a bit and closed at this particular level. That means the candlestick of this particular day this whole day should look like, because price has not moved downwards, so we won't be having much wick on downwards or neither on the upwards, so it will somehow look like this. Okay, so let's check on the daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is the candlestick we were talking about. Did you get it, guys? Or do you have any still have any doubt in candlesticks?
Yeah, it's
Uh,
crystal clear for me.
Okay. Tamil, do you have any doubt?
yeah, could you explain it one more time?
Okay, okay. Okay, so let's take another example. So it will be more useful for you. If you are not getting this, that means that you have doubt in candle formation. How does a candle is formed? Okay. So I will
Yeah, okay.
explain. I will explain you about this particular day. Wait, I will explain you about this particular day. That means it is of 21st November. Okay, so let's move to 15-minute time frame. And as you can see, 21st November is market has opened for at this particular level. Wait, let me delete this first. Okay, so as we can see that market has opened at this particular level and closed at this particular level. Can you see the range? Guys, can you see the range of
Yeah,
21st?
yeah, yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the range in which market has traveled on this on 21st of November. Okay, so as we can see in the diagram that price has opened at this particular level. Okay, Tamil, and then
Yeah.
started traveling towards downwards and traveled till this particular level but couldn't sustain. It tried to go on the upper levels but again failed, again tried, and finally at the end of the day it closed at this particular level. Okay, so our price opened at this particular level and closed at this particular level. That means our closing price is up on the upper side of closing price. Opening prices on the upper side of closing price. That means it will be a bearish candle. Are you getting me,
Be-
guys?
Yeah, understood.
Okay, but as we can see over here that this will be our body, because the distance between opening and closing price is called as body of the candle. Okay, this will be our body, and as we can see prices not crossed the opening price of the candle, but it has crossed the closing price of the candle. That means prices travel till this point. That means wig will be going till this point. Are you getting me, guys?
yes, yes.
Okay, so what is our candle looks like now? This. Are you
Hammer.
okay? Is it clear to you all?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see on daily time frame what does it looks like. See this. This is of 21st November 2024, as I shown as I told you over there. Is it clear to you all? As I told you over there, our closing
Yeah,
price
yeah,
is on the upper side of
yeah. I think, yeah,
oh
yeah.
sorry, our
I
opening.
think it was interesting.
Okay, so do you have
Okay.
doubts now, or is it clear to you all? Tamil,
Yeah, it's clear.
Sandeep, and Balaji.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have seen the time frames as well. Okay, there is nothing much in time frame. The only thing you need to understand in time frame is that we need to have we need to analyze different time frames only so that we can have confirmations of the trend. Okay, guys. Trend is something that you need to understand. I will make you understand in some other session, because it is a bit complicated. It will be a bit complicated for you to understand it now. Okay,
Tamil, mute yourself.
Now comes risk reward. This will also covered in next session. Market cycles. Okay, so we can cover market cycles now. Okay, so as you can see over here, accumulation, uptrend, distribution, and downtrend. Okay, there are four types of market cycles. That means market can be in four phases. Accumulation phase is the phase which is the phase in which shares are being accumulated, or whatever we can call that, shares are being bought or accumulated, are known as accumulated accumulation phase. Okay. Okay, so let me show you some company in which accumulation happened. uh, which company is that?
Sanjay, can you show in like images in
Yes,
from
yes, yes.
Google?
Wait, I'm trying to show you on the charts
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
I'm not remembering the name. Can you start up our chart as well? Okay. Okay, so as I told you about sideways market now, that can also be a accumulation phase. Okay, that means shares are being accumulated. What does it mean by shares are being accumulated? Means that it has been bought by some parties or some fund houses or whatever they are, FIIs, DIIs, or
Like smart money, right?
yes, yes, yes. They are
Yeah,
they are
smart money.
slowly accumulating that particular share. Okay. So during that phase, share will not move in any of the direction. It will have volatile moves. It will travel in certain range uh, for it can travel for many days. Okay. So it is known as accumulation phase. Accumulation phase. After accumulation phase, what's come is distribution. Wait, uptrend, sorry, uptrend. Okay, so let me okay, so as we can see over here that share is being accumulated. Can you guys see over here that share is being accumulated, then sudden uptrend. Okay, then this uptrend. Can you guys see over here?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see this uptrend. Then comes the distribution phase. Okay, this, and what happens in distribution phase is that distribution happens between shares and buyers and sellers, that hands are being exchanged between buyers and sellers. Okay, in this phase as well, the share price will not travel much. It will be in certain range for long period of time. And okay, so let me explain distribution a bit more to you guys so that it will be easy for you. What happens in accumulation is we have seen sorry, we have seen accumulation in which shares are being brought, then uptrend in which we have seen the rally. Okay, now distribution in which the ones who have bought the share from accumulation phase. Okay, the ones who have bought the shares at this particular level and enjoyed their uptrend, now they will exchange their hands with sellers over here. Okay, because their target is being done over here. They have earned a certain amount of money, or their target is being achieved over here. So what they
Like
will do?
Sanjay,
Yes,
like in this field, retail investor like invest, right?
yes, yes, yes. A retail
Yeah,
investor
those.
enters at this
Yeah,
particular point.
yeah, those
It
who
can
have
happen.
small
It can happen
knowledge.
with institutions as well, but most of the
Oh,
times
okay.
it happens with retail participants, that retail participants always joins the party when it gets over. If you have heard about
Okay.
it, are you getting me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this was the third phase, which is distribution phase. After this phase, downtrend starts, because the huge amount of shares are being sold at this particular level. and we all knows that what happens when huge number of share are being sold of any particular company. Wait, let me see example in which distribution and downtrend started, so it will be easy for you. We have seen three phases in this particular stock only, no? This is accumulation, this is uptrend, now this is a distribution phase. And downtrend may start, it is not sure that downtrend will start from this particular price only. This can be accumulation as well, but if it starts, then it will be called as distribution phase. We can't predict markets, so we only thing we can do is we can do a guess over here. And and there are a lot of things to be looked after before calling it as a distribution phase, as we all know. Okay, so I'm just trying to tell you over here that what does a distribution phase, accumulation, and uptrend and downtrend is. Okay, guys, do you have any doubt in this? Tamil,
Mm,
Sandeep, Balaji?
No, no.
No.
Okay, is it all clear to you all?
yes, it is cleared.
Okay. Okay, so now correlation and influencing factors that you have to analyze the correlation with indices of any particular. This does not help on daily basis. It helps on any of the specific what we can say instances. So it is not something we need to focus on now. Volume and liquidity is something which is important. So I think it's time to wrap up things for today.
Yeah, Sanjay, I think you should conclude your session.
Okay, so
Tomorrow we can
I will
continue.
continue with volume and liquidity and
Oh,
back testing and strategy development by psychology and behavior patterns. Okay, so there is nothing much which is left after this session. So let's continue from tomorrow onwards.
Okay.
Okay, so did you get
So
it,
I
guys,
think you
or
could.
do you have any doubt regarding today's session? You can ask me if you have any. Tamil,
Yeah,
Sandeep,
I understood.
okay, Balaji, did you get it? All those things?
Yes, yes, everything.
Okay.
No problem.
Was it helpful to you, or was it was it?
yes, it was
Yes,
Okay.
helpful.
it really be helpful.
Okay. I will try to make you
Okay.
understand the basic things first. Then I will try to make you understand few strategies that will be helpful for you guys in the near future if you really want to learn swing trading or something like investing. We will be
Okay, son.
looking at different aspects as well. Okay, like fundamental, technical. Then only we will be taking any decisions.
Okay. Sanjay, can you conclude all the session today, like what you have taught today?
Okay, okay,
A little, only summary.
okay, okay. No issues. Okay, so we started with some chart patterns. No, actually we have finished chart patterns earlier only. Today we started with candlestick patterns in which we learned about doji candle. Then we have seen hammers, inverted hammers. Okay. Then we have done multiple time frame analysis in which we have learned about we have not learned about how to do a multiple time frame analysis, but why it is always important to do a multi time frame analysis. Okay, so then we have done market cycles in which we learned about accumulation, uptrend, distribution, and downtrend, which are the four market cycles which are very crucial to understand the price action which may or can form in any particular stock. So that's all we covered in today's session. Okay, guys, so we will continue from tomorrow, and that's all.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for let us know new.
Okay. Thank you, Sanjay, for
See
your
you
precious
tomorrow.
time.
Bye.
Okay. See you tomorrow.